The 2019 bond program included master planning the area behind Cypress-Fairbanks High School, Arnold Middle School, and Lamkin Elementary School. This work included new student parking, a band tower, roadway from Matsky to Telge Road, and a new sports complex. We continue to be grateful to the voters of the 2019 referendum. Thank you.
We're super excited, and I have to say the kids are the most excited about all of this.
A new student parking lot at Cypress-Fairbanks High School, as well as the band parking lot and the new band tower, were part of package 2 of the master plan and were completed over the summer of 2023. When the boulevard connecting Telge Road and Matsky Road opens, we'll be able to move traffic that was on Cypress North Houston onto our boulevard on our property, which will help free up traffic on Cypress North Houston and Telge Road.
It's going to really help out with traffic flow. Having that road connecting Matsky to Telge is going to be very helpful.
The scope of work involves repositioning the football field and track at Cypress-Fairbanks High School in a north-south configuration, as well as reconfiguration of the baseball, softball fields, plus updating them to our current artificial turf standard.
We have 11 turf baseball fields and softball fields at all of our campuses. Something that the community said, hey, this is something that we need, we use it a lot. And now to be able to have it here, to have this to be a premier facility, we're going to be able to use not just for softball and baseball, but when we're hosting outside schools that want to come in and see all of the great things that we're doing, it just means a lot that it's happening here.
I'm looking forward to baseball season starting up and being able to use the new fields. The kids are more excited, I have to say, than Miss Martin.
The facilities team, along with our architects and engineers, worked very closely with athletics and the leadership of Cypress-Fairbanks High School to make sure that the look and feel of the existing facilities remained while we updated to our current standard.
I think they realize the value in, hey, when we have great facilities, whether it's schools, whether it's athletic fields, whether it is performing arts centers, that means that they have invested in kids.
We're looking forward to wrapping up these renovations and being able to present this beautiful new facility to the students and community of Cypress-Fairbanks High School.